Brad Williams, XL Prime. Let me show you the steps or how Workday International or Workday works. What do I mean by that? In the previous example, I just used this December 24th, 29, 7 days. Project end date is January 1st with no holidays and January 3rd with holidays. Here we have the typical layout. Everything's the same. I just want to show you how this works. Our first example here, no holidays. Remember that Monday, December 1st shows 1. No, this is wrong. This is with holidays. I should probably write that. Holidays, no holidays. Here, holidays, no holidays. Here we have December 24th and January 23rd. We start on, here's the biggest problem with the Workday and the WORKDAY.INTL. They don't include the actual project start date. It's a glaring mistake. Well, look, January 3rd to Monday, December 24th is how many work days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're taking out the weekends. And how many days between January 3rd and Monday, December 24th? Well, here, B5 minus D5, or D5 minus B5. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing. We're going to get, B5 minus D5 is what? It's 8 days. And here it says work days, 7. This is saying 8. I'm just trying to point out, trying to hammer this point. When you're designing this stuff, Excel does not include this project start date. So you'd have to go -1 in order to get the actual end date if you're working on the project start date. Keep that in mind. Here's how this works. Taking into consideration holidays first, holidays, Monday, December 21st, 24th, day off, Tuesday, we're working Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're working Monday. We have Tuesday off because of a holiday, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If that's the case, we're not counting a particular day. Here, start, no holidays, December 24th, 24th, 1st, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the weekends off, 6, 7. How many days between January 1st? Here. We're not counting either the end date or the start date, one or the other. Do your math. How many days between January 1st and December 24th? Well, you count 24 because you're actually working that day. 24 and 31, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Counting end dates. Okay, to prove my point, we have a project start date on Monday, December 24th, and the project end date is Saturday. Monday through Friday is 5, right? This is saying it ends on December 29th. That's 6 days. So if you need to fix this. Well, I don't know if you can go -1 here. -1. You get the point here. I'm just trying to point out that on a large scheduled project, that you may be missing a day and you're going, shrug it off because we may have rain or what have you. No, that's not the point. Point is, account for this so you can reconcile the dates correctly. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.